Welcome to this video solution of Numerade. So here you have to calculate what is the smallest possible detail observable in theory with a microscope that uses UV light having frequency f which is 4.89 times of 10 to the power of 15 hertz. Right. So here you have to calculate the wavelength, right, which is the detail you can have. So you can apply the wave formula v is equal to f lambda. Now this velocity is nothing but for electromagnetic radiation it's a speed of light, or UV light is anyways itself a light. So it's the velocity is 3 times of 10 to the power of 8, frequency is 4.89 times of 10 to the power of 15, lambda you need to calculate. So let me just calculate and see how much we have it here. 3 times of 10 to the power of 8